As Canada Day approaches, we celebrate our freedom, where we live, what we say, and the dreams we chase. But there's another kind of freedom, financial freedom. It's not about luxury, it's about choices, leaving a job you dislike, helping your kids, or handling life's surprises without panic. This freedom isn't granted by government, it's built by daily decisions. Financial freedom means living on your terms, guided by your values. Many think wealth is for the lucky, but it's a skill anyone can learn. It's about habits, patience, and using the right tools. The journey is long, but every step counts. This Canada Day, commit to your own independence. Decide to take control of your financial future. Start building a life where you make the choices, not your bank account. The path may seem daunting, but it begins with a single step. Let's take that step together. Discover a new kind of freedom, one that brings security and peace of mind. Your journey starts now. Financial freedom isn't about being rich or owning luxury cars, it's about having enough, where your assets cover your living expenses and your money works for you. Imagine waking up and choosing how to spend your day, not rushing to a job out of necessity. That's true independence, owning your time. Money worries can cause stress and strain relationships. With a solid financial foundation, that anxiety fades, letting you focus on what matters: family, health, passions. So, what does financial freedom look like for you? It's personal. Define your number, set your goals, create a budget, understand your expenses, and plan intentionally. Maybe you want to retire early, work part-time, or start a business. Once you know your destination, you can map your route. It's not about deprivation, it's about designing a life you love. Financial freedom is peace of mind and the power to choose. Start by picturing your ideal life, then take steps to make it real. Before accounts and investments, focus on your mindset. Building wealth starts with believing progress matters more than perfection. Mistakes happen. Learn, adjust, and keep moving. Don't let fear of failure stop you from starting. Take control. You decide where your money goes. Ownership is empowering. It makes you the pilot of your financial journey. Think long-term. Wealth grows slowly, like a tree. Small, consistent actions and patience lead to big results. Resist chasing quick wins. Focus on steady saving and investing. Believe it's possible for you. Canada's system is designed to help. Tools like TFSAs and RRSPs aren't just for the wealthy, they're for everyone. Use the resources and support available. You're not alone on this journey. Confidence and action are your best assets. Take the first step, no matter how small. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. Let's talk about Canada's best wealth-building tools: TFSA, FHSA, and RRSP. The TFSA isn't just a savings account, it's a tax-free investment account for any goal. Every Canadian over 18 should have one. The FHSA is perfect for first-time home buyers. Contributions are tax-deductible and withdrawals for your first home are tax-free. It combines the best of TFSA and RRSP. The RRSP is the classic retirement tool. Contributions lower your taxable income, and your investments grow tax-deferred until retirement. Each account has unique benefits, but all help your money grow faster. Learn how they work and use them to your advantage. These aren't complicated, just powerful. Start with one and build from there. Opening these accounts is just the start. Don't let your money sit idle. Invest it, don't just save it. Low-cost, broad market ETFs are a simple way to invest. One purchase gives you exposure to hundreds of companies. Diversification protects you and harnesses the market's long-term growth. You don't need to pick stocks, just invest consistently. Use cashback credit cards wisely, pay in full and earn rewards on everyday spending. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investments every payday. This pay-yourself-first habit builds wealth effortlessly. Automation removes temptation and makes saving routine. Even small amounts add up over time. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. Consistency beats complexity. Start today and let your money grow. Saving and investing are vital, but earning more is just as important. There's a limit to cutting expenses, but no limit to increasing income. Side hustles like dog walking, baking, or home repairs can add hundreds a month. Use your skills to provide value and start small. Freelancing lets you turn professional skills into extra income with flexibility and global clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to get started. Affiliate marketing is another option. Earn commissions by recommending products online. Build an audience and let your side income grow even while you sleep. Multiple income streams accelerate your path to financial freedom. Explore, experiment, and find what works for you. We've covered mindset, accounts, investing, and earning more. It might feel overwhelming, but you don't need to master everything at once. The key is to take one small action, today. Open a TFSA even if you don't fund it yet. Set up an automatic transfer, even if it's just $25 per payday. Track your spending for a week, just observe. Brainstorm side hustle ideas, write down your skills. Don't aim to solve everything now, just move one step closer. This Canada Day, celebrate the opportunity to build your own financial future. The tools are here for everyone. You don't need to be a financial expert, just willing to start. Take that first step. Your journey to financial independence begins now. Make this your year of freedom. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and happy Canada Day to you all.